Hiya peeps, welcome back to my channel. So this is the gel mani that I did with the Bisou polish, and I shall let you know how I feel about it as we go along. It applies really nicely. This pale pink is really light. Obviously it's a really pastel pale pink. So the what do you call it? The design I had on underneath was showing through that first layer, but by the time I put the second layer on, it was fine. It was pretty opaque then, not a problem. It does apply really nicely. Didn't have any problems with application at all, so that was good. The brushes, they're quite small, but you know, they're manageable. They could do, you know, maybe because I've got big nails, I don't know, but if they were just slightly wider, it would make it, you know, less. I would have to go in less, if you know what I mean, especially around the cuticle area. But yeah, it goes on nicely. You can see how it goes on. It's fine. I cured the first layer for 30 seconds and the second layer for a minute, and when I put the top coat on, I did that for a minute as well. This is the second layer now. And you can see it's going on nicely. It's covering the design that was underneath fine. Looks alright. Not a problem. So even though I've got lace on this finger, and you can see it's kind of rough where I've filed back and actually gone into the lace, by the time I finished this nail, you cannot tell that it was bumpy at all. The gel really smoothed it out, so that's good. Because I was concerned at first that maybe it would still be bumpy, but by the time I put on the glitter layer and the top coat, that bumpiness was totally gone. It was totally smooth after that. At the end of the video, I do have a clip of the nails after, I think it was a week and a half, 2 weeks wear, and you'll be able to see what they look like, how it wore. Really enjoyed wearing it. I enjoyed using it. I enjoyed wearing it. So my opinion of this brand is yes, I really like it. Yes, I'd recommend it. Obviously, do your due diligence and research any brand that you use. Make sure that, you know, they are safe and they adhere to UK regulations within the industry, and you know, make sure you're covered with your insurance, etc. And Bob's your uncle. There you go. But yeah, if you're looking to try a new brand, have a look at these guys. Why not? You know, they're reasonably priced. They often have deals and sales and stuff, so if you keep an eye out and join their Facebook group, it's all gravy. You'll find something, I'm sure. But yeah, I thought I'd share it with you because it was something different. It's a brand that I'd not really, you know, known or heard of a lot, well, at all, until I, you know, did, and then I found out a few people were using it. And yeah, but it's not something that I've seen. It's not a brand that I've really seen on YouTube or anything. So yeah, it's always nice to try something new. And yeah, I was really impressed with them. They got a good selection, like I said in the haul video, and on the website, you know, you can make your own decision, but I thought it would be something nice to share with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I mean, it's not a long one, and it's just me applying gel polish, so you might find it a bit boring, but you know, it's nice to share different things because I know of many people that use this brand, and it's really good. So make your own decisions. I won't make it for you, but at the end of the video you'll see how it's worn and everything, and I think it coped really well. And I'm not easy with my hands at all. I'm quite heavy-handed. I don't wear gloves when I'm supposed to. I'm really naughty. I don't oil my cuticles as much as I'm supposed to, etc, etc. So my nails take a bashing. They really do, and they held up perfectly well. You'll see there's tip wear, but it's not anything major, and certainly no chipping. Yeah, I was happy with this. Definitely happy with these polishes. I look forward to doing some more manis with them, actually. And thank you all for watching, and like I said, at the end you'll see how they wore. And I'm not sure what the next video is going to be, but keep your eye out, click your notification bell and subscribe and all that good stuff, and I'll speak to you guys in the next one. Take care, peeps. Bye for now.